How to change Roblox profile picture. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox, click on your profile at the top. After you click on your profile, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your profile picture at the top. After you click on your profile picture at the top, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Change whatever you want, which is face, dresses, also accessories. After you're done changing, reload the page. After you have reloaded the page, at the top beside your name, you will find your Roblox profile picture changed. And this is how to change Roblox profile picture. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.